Alright, what's up everybody? This is I think part 4. Sorry for the camera turning. Just to show you guys. Here's the grill all painted. You can see that in the first video I showed you that I do not like the casting marks. So you can see it's all gone. That little rough line, I don't mind that. But all the casting, you can see where the casting is in the backside and the little crevices, but this is it. All done. Nice and smooth. The grill, as you guys can see in the video, you can obviously tell it's blue. But when you look at it naturally with the human eye it looks black. I did this pearl midnight blue. Let me pull the... I really like it. It's the same blue I did that plate with. The foot pads are right here. I had a choice. I don't know if anybody sees this video and you want to comment, give me a comment, drop me a comment, which one do you like. These will be painted blue. These foot pads will be painted blue like the grill. But what do you guys think? Either non-shaved ports or shaved ports? I sanded all these down to where they were just about chrome, polished them up just so they had a view. But let me know what you guys like. I personally like this one. This one I don't really like. The texture I don't care about. They're foot pads. I don't need them perfectly smooth. They don't need to be like this. Alright, let me get back to the grill here. As you guys can see, no corners cut. It's all in beautiful shape. I'd pick it up, but I blew my back out this weekend, so it hurts. But you can see I put all new bolts in. Everything turns freely. But you can even do the under view. Nothing's missed. This thing's really smooth, you can see. My table's rougher than this. But the side's really smooth. No more casting marks. But that's the grill. Started working on some of the engine components, not compartment. This is the head. Still have to polish the top. Top still needs to be polished. Doesn't look so great. I started polishing a little bit right there, but yeah, it's a bitch to get in here. So I'm gonna get the head all polished. But I've already shaved the head. I don't know if I told you guys in the video. I already told you I was gonna shave that down. There you go. No more shaving. No more lip. It's almost smooth. It's all polished. It's all smooth. These are all the little casting marks. That's a little paint overspray. If you guys see the spray paint here on the head, that's not exhaust, that's spray paint. If you spray paint this plate right here, this flange, which is your mounting seat, if you spray paint this, let it dry real good, and then when you actually go to sand your actual head down, you'll see where all your scratches are at. See how they're really defined? Because they're black against the silver. Well, now you'll know where you actually have a lot of scoring, to where you actually have to smooth this down to where you don't have any scoring. So when you go to put a layer of black paint on it again and you go sand that layer of paint down, you shouldn't have any of this. Your head should be smooth like this inner groove, like right here. This contains no black, which means it's completely smooth. So that way you guys get a good seat and you get good compression so you don't blow your head gaskets. This is the original hood ornament. this is going to be painted blue just like the other components. I'm going to sand this down. I was going to go chrome. I was going to go bring it to my buddy's shop and have him chrome dip it, but I decided I'd rather go with the blue. Make the tractor stand out, make it unique, one of a kind, no one else has it, so that's that. Here's the start gen mount. It's all cleaned up. I mean, if you paint something right, you should be able to chip at it and you get no markings. The little black there is just from grease. But other than that, I mean, if you pick at it, see, nothing comes off. So if you paint your product, if you paint everything properly, you'll never have to worry. Make sure you sand on your plate, your mounting plates real smooth, so that way this is bolted and smoothly, you get a smooth mount to the actual engine. You don't want to have a wavy surface, because the wavy surface will cause warps in the block and or crack this, which will cause problems, and you don't want to deal with problems if you're actually using the tractor as a competition tractor. But show you guys some of the lights real quick. Alright, these are the lights. These are Maxima lights. I use these in strobes and stuff. These are the lights that I'm going to be mounting to the actual tractor. I don't like colored lenses. I like all my lenses on everything clear. And I'm even debating on mounting some here. I'm going to make a diamond plate headlight cover. It's going to be like a Cyclops tractor, actually, because I'm debating on putting the exhaust through the one headlight opening here, so that way I'm not having to hack away at the hood or anything, because you want as straight of a flow of exhaust out as possible. You don't want any elbows, because with elbows in the exhaust will cause restrictions and slow down the flow of the exhaust, where I want to come straight out, and it looks like that would be the best place for me to port the exhaust without having to run a bunch of piping. So I think I'm just going to go a little 45 degree to a 4-inch chrome tip, and I'm just going to have it stick right out here, right out the freaking headlight opening. I'm going to put a diamond plate cover that covers over this. I'm debating on painting the diamond plate the same color as that blue, so that way it's all got a real unique look to it and a real aggressive front end. The exhaust tip will be chrome, no doubt about that. Other than that, I mean, you guys can see that this machine here is going to be in tip-top shape, and it's going to be beautiful and running like a champ. And let's hopefully that trans is all in great shape when I go to rip that tranny apart, and hopefully the updated bushings and bearings that have come in will fit properly, and maybe we'll show you guys dragging a truck here soon. It's going to be a slow process though. It's not a quick process. It's not something that I'm doing overnight. This is something I do. For example, I did the grill over a 2-day period. I did the front header. I did that over a 2-day period. I did the grill over a 1-day period. I did the steps over a 1-day period. I did the fenders and all that over like a 1 week's time. So this isn't something that's going to happen overnight. So just stay tuned, guys. It'll be a slow progress. This tractor, I'm actually going to build it up for next year, so that way I can figure out all the kinks and flaws with it. So stay tuned. Next video will be up here soon.